Sure, here's a script for you, Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we break down the latest phones and show you what's hot and what's not. Today, we are taking a look at the brand new Vivo Y20 for 2025. If you are thinking about getting an affordable yet stylish phone, stick around because this might just be the one for you. Starting with the features, the 2025 Vivo Y20 packs a lot for its price. It comes with a larger and brighter display, making everything from gaming to scrolling feel smooth. The upgraded processor inside ensures you get a faster and lag-free experience, whether you are switching apps, watching videos, or playing your favorite games. Vivo has also improved the software this year, adding smart features that make the phone easier and more fun to use. Battery life is a major highlight with the new Y20. Thanks to a bigger battery and better optimization, you can easily get through a full day and even push into the next without reaching for a charger. The charging speed has also been boosted, so you are not stuck waiting forever to get back to full power. Now let's talk about the cameras. Vivo has given the Y20 an upgraded main camera that captures sharper and more vibrant photos even in tricky lighting. The selfie camera has also gotten a nice bump, delivering better detail and skin tones that look more natural. With improved camera software, you also get cool features like portrait modes and night shots that actually work well without needing to be an expert photographer. Moving on to the exterior, the 2025 Vivo Y20 looks far more premium than its price suggests. The back has a fresh design with sleek curves and a smooth matte finish that feels great in the hand and resists fingerprints. The color options this year are bold and modern, giving you choices that stand out without being too flashy. The phone feels solid and lightweight, striking a good balance between durability and comfort. Vivo has also refined the button placements and the fingerprint sensor is now faster and more accurate, making unlocking your phone quicker than ever. The front of the phone is all about the screen. The bezels are slimmer, giving you more display space without making the phone too bulky. Watching videos or playing games on the Y20 feels immersive, and thanks to the improved brightness, you will have no trouble using it outdoors under sunlight. Vivo clearly paid attention to the small details with the new Y20, and it shows. In conclusion, the 2025 Vivo Y20 is an impressive upgrade that delivers excellent value. It checks all the right boxes for a budget phone. Strong performance, better cameras, great battery life, and a stylish design. Whether you are a student, a first-time smartphone buyer, or just looking for a reliable backup device, the new Y20 deserves serious consideration. Vivo continues to prove that you do not need to spend a fortune to get a phone that looks good and performs even better. That's it for today. If you liked this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to FK iPhone for more honest reviews and updates on the latest tech. See you in the next video. Would you also like me to give you a few title suggestions for this video?